Congratulations, and welcome to parenthood. During the period of 4 to 6 months, infants continue to experience significant developmental milestones. 1. Motor skills. Infants gain better head control and can hold it steady, begin to roll over, explore objects by reaching and grasping, bring objects to their mouth, and show increased interest in sitting with support. 2. Sensory and cognitive development. They show increased interest in exploring objects, visually track moving objects and people, develop depth perception, become more aware of their surroundings, and show an interest in cause and effect relationships. 3. Communication and social development. Infants babble and experiment with sounds, respond to their name and familiar voices, engage in back-and-forth interactions, show early signs of understanding simple words or commands, and display interest in social interactions. 4. Feeding and sleeping. Infants continue breastfeeding or bottle feeding, may show interest in solid foods, develop improved hand-eye coordination for self-feeding, and may experience changes in sleep patterns, including longer stretches of sleep at night. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.